is this? See, look, this is bullshit. This is more like a job. You're supposed to enjoy your food, but goddamn. Trying to get there, everything's real cold and shit. Come on.
Work your fingers.
I'm trying to. My fingers don't work that way. I'm trying to scoop it up on there.
Almost.
What? See, look. This is bullshit. I ain't liking this shit.
You're not supposed to use two hands with chopsticks.
Wow.
Oh my God. That's gonna be funny. Oh, you made it.
God damn it. It's in my nose. See, how do you... See, look, this...
You gotta be coordinated.
I'm coordinated as hell, but...
Just get them together at the
Well,
same
I'm
time.
trying here. Calm down over here. Stop yelling at me. Trying to walk them over this way without them falling out of my hand. Look, see? Bastard, come in here.
Pinch.
Oh, that
Pinch.
son of a bitch.
Pinch.
Look. Look, I got one. Yeah. Oh, that's bullshit. See why these little bastards stay so skinny. Slide over there.
You're gonna be humpback by the time you finish eating.
See, nah, that's bullshit. Did all that work to get that one noodle.
All right, try to sit up straight. You look like you have scoliosis.
I'm trying to get close to my food here. Get dressed. Stay in there. Stay in there. I ain't doing this shit no more. See my nose, on my damn glasses. That's bullshit.
Cut.
Enjoy.
Some got in my eye.
So you enjoy your meal, Grandpa?
No, it sucks. I don't know. You know, who the hell invents a stick to eat with? What the hell's the matter with you? Why do they stay so damn skinny?
Well, you gotta try rice.
I ain't eating one piece of rice at a time. What the hell's the matter with you?
With lo mein, at least it's a trail, and then you have a long piece. With a
Oh,
grain
yeah,
of
a noodle
rice.
that big and then you get one grain of rice?
Oh
How the
my
hell-
gosh.
Yeah.
Hey, do you have any rice left? Try a grain
No,
of rice.
no.
I challenge you to try to pick up a grain of rice.
Okay, we'll do it. With what?
With
my sticks?
chopsticks.
Are you out of your mind?
Just see if you have a grain of rice left. No. Here. Look underneath. Oh. What are you doing? Don't you have some on your plate? Oh, yes you do.
Probably licked it
Here,
clean.
watch this. Alright, shake them out of the onions. Oh, here we go.
Get over here.
Yeah, when you master picking up rice, then you've mastered the chopstick.
That's bullshit.
Oh, you got it. Look.
Stay in there, you little bastard. You little son of a
Get
bitch.
it,
Stay
get
there.
it, get it,
Stay
get
there.
it. Oh.
Where'd it go?
Right.
No, it's on my lip.
Get it. Cat. Get it. Oh, that's cheating.
I did it.
This because of the starch. That's cheating. What?
Wow, that was nutritious and that was so good.
Get it. You dropped it. It didn't even
Ain't that a bitch? That's why I eat my damn lip.
Oh, you got it.
Hang in there, mustard. Oh, I'm stuffed to the rafters. That's bullshit.
Would you like to carry out box?
Yeah, I can't eat all that. In a Ziploc bag.
You have at least 12 more chopstick servings.
Oh, I'm stuffed.
Do you want a box?